Parajumbles and Paracompletion Workshop. Let's talk about the concept of links. Links are connections identified to find the logical connect among sentences. They are used to eliminate options. There are 5 different types of links. Let's talk about each of the links in detail. Link 1, Order link. This link is used to do a sequence check. For example, A comes before C. Here, the order is very important. So while checking the options, we have to check if A is coming before C. So if we see in the options, option A is correct since A is placed before C. So is option B and option C. But option D is wrong because C comes before A, hence the order is disrupted. The second type of link is connecting link. This link helps in subgroup formation. Let's take an example where A and C come together, which means A and C have formed a group. It's either AC or CA. Order is not an issue over here. Now if you see the options, options A and D are correct since they have A and C together in the form of AC or CA, whereas options B and C are wrong because A and C are placed separately. The third type of link combines both order link and connecting link. This type of link is called a connecting order link. Here we have to check for both the order and the subgroup formation. So for example, if we take AC, here the order of AC is also important as well as A and C should come together in the options. So if we see the options, A would be the only correct option where A and C come together as well as A is placed before C. In options B and C, A comes before C but they're not placed together and therefore they are wrong. Whereas option D, A and C come together but C is placed before A and hence it's wrong. Let's see a sample question. Arrange the following sentences to form a logically connected paragraph. B and D form a connecting order link. This is because B states the weird ways in which children think, and D supports that fact by saying that risks stemming from the presence of wild animals will not affect these children. Since we know that B and D have to come together in the answer, we can safely eliminate the options A and D. Similarly, C and A form a connecting order link. C comes before A because C describes a place which is not suitable for playing hide and seek with friends, whereas A gives the description of that place that it is covered with dense trees and caverns. Hence, C and A form a connecting order link. BD and CA form connecting order link together, and hence BDCA is the correct answer. The next type of link is the immediate next link. This is basically a top-down approach to solving PJ problems. We can check for link downwards. For example, if we have ABCD given, we need to find the correct order of sentences. Say we start at B, we check for C and D. Say C is the correct option after B, then we check with C for D and A, and so on and so forth. We find the correct sequence of statements. There can be 2 types of questions in this. The first, with the first statement fixed, and we have to find the following correct sequence of statements. And the second, in which the first and the last statement are fixed, and we have to find the correct sequence of statements in between them. In both the types of questions, we use the first statement as reference and we find the correct sequence of sentences using the top-down approach. The last type of link is the immediate previous link. Here, we use the concluding statement as the reference and we move up in order to find the correct sequence of statements. There can be 3 types of questions with this link. The first is the normal ABCD. The second is where the first and the last statement is fixed and we have to find the correct sequence of statements in between them. And the last is the one with the last statement fixed, and we have to find the correct sequence of statements before that. In all these three types, we use the last concluding statement as a reference and we move up in order to find the correct sequence of statements as the answer. Let us now see a sample question in order to understand the links better. Arrange the following sentences to form a logically connected paragraph. The last sentence is fixed. Since the last sentence is fixed, we can safely say that this is a question about immediate previous link. We can see from the question that A and D form a connecting order link. This is because A talks about a logic and D provides an explanation to the logic supporting the idea. We can also say that B and C form a connecting order link. This is because B is talking about the idea and C is a continuation of that idea. Since A and D and B and C form connecting order links, the answer is ADBC.